In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fibonacci Extension Thinkorswim. We'll start by getting your chart set up so your levels are accurate and easy to read. Open the Charts tab and load the symbol you want to analyze. Make sure you're on the time frame that matches your trading plan, whether that's a 5-minute chart for intraday ideas or a daily chart for swing setups. It helps to zoom in enough to clearly see recent swing highs and lows, because the precision of your clicks will determine how reliable your extension levels are. Next, you'll select the Fibonacci Extensions drawing tool. On the Charts toolbar, click the Drawings icon, the small pen or line symbol, then choose Fibonacci Extensions from the list. This tool projects potential price targets based on the size of a prior move, so it's most useful after a clear trend leg and a pullback. Now you'll define your 3 anchor points. First, click your starting point. Point A. This is the beginning of the trend move you want to measure. In an uptrend, that's usually a swing low where price pivoted higher. If you're analyzing a downtrend, point A would be a swing high where price turned lower. Pick the exact candle wick that represents the true pivot so your levels reflect the full range of the move. Then click point B, the end of that move. In an uptrend, this will be the top of the push you're projecting from. In a downtrend, it will be the bottom of the drop. Points A and B define the magnitude of the trend leg, which the tool uses to calculate potential extensions. Finally, click point C, the retracement low in an uptrend or the retracement high in a downtrend. This is where price pulled back before attempting to continue the trend. By placing point C, you tell the tool where the market reset, and it will project extension levels forward in the trend's direction from there. Once those 3 clicks are in place, you'll see extension levels such as 127.2%, 161.8%, and beyond. Traders often use these as potential profit targets or areas to watch for reactions. The more clearly defined the swing structure, the more meaningful these levels tend to be. Keep in mind that extensions work best alongside other evidence, like prior structure, volume behavior, or momentum. So consider how the levels line up with what the chart is already telling you. That's it. With your symbol loaded, the Fibonacci Extensions tool selected, and points A, B, and C anchored to a clean trend and pullback, you've mapped out objective targets to guide your next decision.